everyone, it's Annette. So today I have a video featuring Tipex Instant Apex sculptured acrylic tips. This is the half matte long coffin and then also their Eternal Mani Matte UV nail glue. Tipex reimages nail artistry with its unique pre-shaped design and built-in apex, offering effortless beauty and structural integrity, streamlining nail extension and shaping techniques. So this is their 120 piece set, and this sells for $9.99 on Amazon. And then this is also their Eternal Mani Matte UV nail glue, net weight 30G, 1.05 ounces, and this also sells for $9.99 on Amazon. So let's just go ahead and get into the box. So like I said, you get 120 tips, 10 pieces for each size. And this is the long coffin. And so they come on the little plastic bar. So I'm reading on their website and they said that this is a thinner edge that goes up by your cuticle, and then it gets thicker in through the apex area, and then that's where you get your nice apex. And then also the C curve is really, really, really nice. And then this is the UV nail glue. And they do have the expirations on the back of the nail glue box and then also on the back of the nail tip box. The directions on how to apply and how long to cure for. And then that's how thick the product is. It doesn't seem too bad. Sometimes the products are really, really thick. So that seems like a nice thickness. So we're gonna go ahead and we're going to size the tips. So this is 0, and 0 is going to be a little too big for me. You want it to fit from sidewall to sidewall, and that is just a little too big. So I'm assuming I'm going to go down to a 1, and 1 fits me perfectly. So we will go ahead and pop off the 1. Okay, so let's go down to a 5. So the 5 looks like it's going to fit my index finger perfectly. And then my middle finger is also a 5. So then I will take the 5 off of the other side for the middle finger, and then my ring finger. So we're gonna do the 7. That looks like it fits perfectly. And then we're going to do the 10 for my pinky. Now these are sized from 0 to 11. You do have quite a range here, so you should be able to find your size nicely. It does seem like the zeros do run a little larger. So if you're a person that has a little wider of a thumbnail, then I would think that you would not have a problem with their 0. So I already have my natural nails prepped. I am going to be doing the peel off method. So I am using a peel off base, but if you do want the nails to last, you are going to do your normal nail prep, your normal cuticle prep, and then your normal application. So let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm going to start with the thumb first. Now, I am not the best at putting on nails like this. I will be the first one to admit it. I have a tendency to always use a little too much of the glue, no matter what kind of glue I'm using. So we will just see what happens. So I already sized the nails, so I put the glue in and I am just going to press down. I'm going to make sure there are no bubbles. So I do have a little bit of seepage. I will go in and clean that up. So there's the thumb. It's looking really good. I do like the apex. I do not have much of an apex, but anyways, I do like that. I think that is really, really nice looking. I like the apex. So anyways, let's go ahead and let's get on with the rest of the nails and we'll do some cleanup. Okay, so I am just placing the nail down and then I am letting the glue spread That one seems to be doing a lot better than the thumb. I'm just, let's fix this again, sticking it underneath the light. So I have a little bit of a bubble on this one, but that's me, not the product. But I do like the Apex. I must say that I am really liking the Apex. Like I said, I'm not normally, I don't have the Apex. And I've tried with different products to build up my Apex, and I'm not a nail technician, so that's really hard for me to do. I don't have patience. So if you're like me, this would be the perfect solution for you, or you want an Apex, but you don't have the patience to try to build up your own. So let's go ahead and let's do the rest of the nails. Okay, so here they are. They are all on. I've cured them for a minute, and the larger lamp, I'm going to file, I'm going to clean up the little bit of seepage that I had. Okay, so before I put the color on, I just really want to say that I am really loving these tips. I love the way that they look on my hands. I love the Apex. I'm just really digging this. This is just like, I really, really like this. So here they are all on and they are all painted. I am in love with these tips. They are absolutely gorgeous. I love the Apex on them. I love the C curve on them. They make my hands look more slender. I think that the Apex balances out the rest of my hand and my fingers. I'm just in love with them. So thank you so much for sending me these products. I really do appreciate it. I will link information in the description box. So thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Leave me your thoughts and your comments down below. Thank you again and have a wonderful day.